Hey guys, Attorney Scott Harper, the Southern Lawyer on Instagram. Today we are talking about homeowners title insurance, why you need it, okay? The answer to the question of if you're buying this house, do you want title insurance? The answer is always yes. Understand this, there are two types. There is buyers and there are lenders, okay? If you are getting a mortgage on the property that you are buying, the lender is always going to require you to have title insurance. That title insurance protects the lender. It doesn't protect you. So you always have to make sure that you buy title insurance as well. Why? That's the big question. Why do I want to spend several hundred dollars on title insurance? Here's why, okay? The reality is that the house that you are buying, okay, this is a drawing of a house. That house that you are buying it from someone, okay? You believe that someone is the one that actually owns the house. Not always the case. Sometimes that person that's selling it to you, maybe they don't own the whole thing, okay? They do own some of it, but not the whole thing. You gotta make sure that when you're buying that house, you are getting the entire property and you are getting it free of any liens or encumbrances that are not of record, okay? So what title insurance does is it protects you as a buyer. If you buy a house that from somebody that didn't own the house, okay? Or you buy a house and it has liens or encumbrances on it, which you weren't aware of, which weren't of record, that encumber the property in a manner that is not what you expected, okay? Title insurance is going to come in and it's going to pay for that issue. Now, depending on the issue, what title insurance does to clear that up will be different. But the reality is that title insurance in and of itself is very, very cheap in the grand scheme of the issues that can develop, okay? So I would highly recommend anytime you buy a house, you get lender's insurance if you got a mortgage, and you get buyer's insurance, okay? Get both. In the state of Kentucky, there are fantastic title companies that can take care of this for you, and it will, $500, if that's what the title, it is nothing. It is a drop in the bucket compared to what it will cost you if you run into a real issue, okay? If you have questions about buying, selling, or closing on a property, you can always reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you.